In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a screenshot on Steam. By the end, you'll know how to capture a screenshot in-game, find it in your Steam library, and upload it to your profile so others can see it. First, take the screenshot while you're playing. The default key for Steam is F12, but this only works if the Steam overlay is enabled. If you press F12 and see a small notification pop up in the corner saying the screenshot was saved, you're good to go. If nothing happens, pause or exit the game and open Steam's main window. Go to Steam, then Settings, and choose the in-game section. Make sure the overlay is turned on. This overlay is required for the screenshot shortcut to work. Some games also remap or block the default key, so if F12 doesn't trigger a capture, check that game's control settings for its screenshot key and update it if needed. Once the overlay is enabled and your key is confirmed, return to your game and press F12 again to capture. You should see that confirmation toast when it succeeds. After you finish playing, exit the game to manage your screenshots. In the Steam window, look at the top menu and click View, then choose Screenshots. On some versions, you might see Recording Screenshots instead. This opens the Steam Screenshot Uploader, which lists your most recent captures. If you have multiple games, use the drop-down at the top to filter by the game you were playing. Click the thumbnail of the image you want to share to preview it. If you're trying to place a custom image into the correct folder for Steam to recognize it, click Show on Disk. That opens the exact directory where Steam stores screenshots for that game, so you can add files there if needed and then return to the uploader. When you're ready to post the image to your profile, select the screenshot and click Share on Steam. Add a clear caption so viewers know what they're looking at. Choose your visibility setting. Make it public if you want everyone to see it, friends only if you're sharing just within your circle, or private to keep it for your own records. Double check that the correct game is selected in the game drop-down, then click Upload. Steam will process it, and you can view the result on your profile under the Screenshots tab. That's where all your shared images live, organized by game and date. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.